Hello friends, today we are going to interface a mini thermal printer with our Arduino board, and we are going to use this Arduino Uno and we'll interface this printer with this board. Interfacing is quite simple because it's TTL supported, so by using three wires we can interface this printer with our Arduino board. You can check the print quality also. So for simple application, for printing receipt, for printing bills, even for printing results, we can use this thermal printer, and you might have seen it in different places for ticket generation, for billing. These printers are quite famous. So here we have this printer with us. You can see that the size of this printer is quite small. We need to fit a paper roll there, which is thermochromic coated paper, which gets black on heating. So this is the mechanism, and at the bottom you can see that we have three male jacks at the bottom, and these jacks will be used. This jack will be used for powering this particular printer. This is RS232 jack, and this last one is TTL supported. So we are going to use this TTL jack for making our power connection. And then if you talk about connection, we'll see the circuit diagram here. So first we'll connect battery to our printer. So we'll connect a 9 volt pin of our battery to this red wire. This red wire is for positive 9 volt and this black is for ground. Then we'll connect this TTL connector, and we'll connect RX and TX with our Arduino software serial pins, which we have chosen D2 and D3. So we'll connect this D2 and D3 with TX and RX pin of our printer. Isn't it simple to interface your Arduino with your printer? So we have made TTL connection with our Arduino. Then we need to connect our battery to this printer. And finally we'll connect a 9 volt battery to source our Arduino Nano and our thermal printer. So this is all about connection. Now let's see the sketch for this particular interfacing. Okay, so first we need to add this Adafruit library for this thermal printer and for software serial. Since we are going to use software serial, so we have defined two pins, pin number 2 and 3 for TX and RX. Then you need to declare an object again for your thermal printer and for your software serial. Then we'll come to setup. So in setup, what we are doing, we are setting the speed of serial communication, and we are initiating this serial print in the setup. In loop we have written instruction to set the size of the text. It can be large, medium or small. Similarly for justifying for placing the text, whether at the center or at left or right, we have written the instruction, and these are the details we are going to print on our printer. And finally, before waking it up, we need to sleep the printer for 3 seconds, and we'll reset it to its default setting. Okay guys, now let's print the data on our thermal printer. So here we have a 9 volt battery, our Arduino Nano, which is connected to our thermal printer. So once we'll power it, it will start printing the data. Sorry guys, we have used this breadboard for making all these connections. It's taking a little bit time. Okay, here we go. So you can see that started printing our details. TechWood Lab is there, our channel name, our details, other details are there. So like this you can design, you can use the thermal printer for your application. Let's say you want to use it for printing a receipt for your shop, for billing, for printing results. You can use this thermal printer. Friends, this is all about interfacing of our thermal printer. Still, if you face any problem, please write in comment section. We'll be happy to help you. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. See you in next video. Thank you.